416 species in genus Calamus. January 21st. Calamus. January 21st is represented by Calamus, the aromatic reed. Calamus embodies wisdom and serenity. You have a calm demeanor and a grounded presence that reassures and comforts those around you. Calamus, a world of climbing palms. My name is Ferbvu, and I'm fascinated by the incredible diversity of the plant world. Today, I want to share my enthusiasm for a particular genus of palms, Calamus. These plants, commonly known as rattan palms, are a marvel of nature, exhibiting remarkable adaptations and playing a crucial role in their ecosystems. What is Calamus? Calamus is a large genus belonging to the palm family, Ericaceae. It boasts an estimated 416 species, all native to the tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, Africa, and Australia. Unlike the typical image of a palm tree with a single, sturdy trunk, Calamus species are mostly climbing lianas. They have slender, reedy stems that can reach astonishing lengths, sometimes exceeding 200 meters. These stems weave their way through the forest undergrowth, clambering over other plants in their quest for sunlight. Adaptations for climbing. The climbing habit of Calamus is facilitated by some ingenious adaptations. Many species have evolved hooks on the underside of their leaves or leaf-like structures called pinnae. These hooks act like grappling hooks, allowing the palm to secure itself to surrounding vegetation. Some species even have modified pinnae that form tendrils, which coil around branches and provide additional support. A closer look at Calamus species. The sheer number of Calamus species is staggering. Each species has its own unique characteristics, contributing to the rich tapestry of this genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Ecological importance. Calamus palms play a vital role in their ecosystems. Their dense growth provides habitat and shelter for a wide range of animals, including birds, insects, and mammals. The fruits of Calamus are also an important food source for many creatures. Moreover, these palms contribute to forest regeneration by helping to create gaps in the canopy, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor and promoting the growth of other plants. Human uses. Humans have long recognized the value of Calamus. The strong, flexible canes of these palms have been used for centuries to make a variety of products, including furniture, baskets, mats, and even weapons. Rattan furniture is particularly popular due to its durability and aesthetic appeal. In addition to their practical uses, Calamus palms also have cultural significance in many communities. Conservation concerns. Despite their importance, many Calamus species are facing threats due to habitat loss, overexploitation, and the illegal wildlife trade. Sustainable harvesting practices and conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these remarkable plants. My fascination with Calamus. I'm continually amazed by the resilience and adaptability of Calamus palms. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments, their intricate climbing mechanisms, and their contribution to both ecosystems and human societies make them a truly captivating group of plants. I believe that by understanding and appreciating these plants, we can contribute to their conservation and ensure that future generations can marvel at their beauty and utility.